Hi guys, welcome back. So, what's up, everybody? So, guys, subscribe to my channel and sorry for the past two live streams that were really, what do you say, disappointing because of the lag in my PC as well as the internet. Because the gameplay was good on my mobile phone as well as the previous live stream was emulator played on PC, but then I don't know why the lag occurred. So, guys, without any wasting any time, let's get into today's video topic. So guys, today's topic is how you can actually create a custom logo for your YouTube channel like a professional. So guys, whenever you look at other channels, you feel like you must have some good logo. You always can't use a Photoshop for that. So guys, I have a website for you. I'll give this link in the description, logomaker.com. You can just go ahead and check this out. Now if you want to create a gaming channel, let's see if we can create a channel sorry logo of a gaming channel. And if you need to keep it as, let's keep the name as gaming channel itself. You can even make text as a logo. You can just change the text gamer. Let's keep this for now, and I'll edit this and show it to you guys. Click on this, just click here, just click on this, go to over here, go over here, select with any of the what do you say, theme of your the text. And then this is the theme, guys, and the font you need to select is on the next side. Let's take scary and dark. You can go here, check out any of these. Eater, this is also good. You can just extend the size of this. It looks like this. You can now click on this. If I have to edit this, now I can actually change the text. Oh, what happened, guys? Let's type it in again, and now let's select. You can either do it this way, or you can just okay, let's erase this all. Let's have just two letters J, and let's bring them to the side. You can add a different text now. Just make it of a bigger size. This will look a little more professional. Just change the color and the next letter, right? The next two letters. Okay, let's move this. Let's move this. Let's move this. Then I think okay, the other box is not yet added on the screen. You can just take this and place it over here. Then click on the text box. Then R. Resize the text to your size, and this back. Select, okay, select another one, and take this, move it around, and change the color. Guys, I'm just randomly doing this. You can actually make a custom edited logo for yourself, gamer, and if you want to have this, and then you can also, you can guys, there are different kinds of fonts available for you guys. You can just check out these, and you can have each letter in a different font, provided you just take time to change it when you try. Guys, I'm just doing it for the video, so I'll not be considering it. And when you take your time and do it, it'll really come out well. So let's now check out with some images. There are over a million graphics available over here. That is, you can also select it this way, or you can just go ahead and type it. If you have a gaming channel, just type in gaming there. It will provide you with a lot of stuff from which you can select something or the other. There are silly type of logos over here. You can just go down, and or else you can just design your own logo whereby using the elements section over there. You can Mostly sometimes when we do logo designing, hacking this thing will give you a computer as well. You can just check that out. Also, this one looks neat for me. Just do this, change the color, just change it to this, and now add some text there. The gamer. You can just drag this down, change its color, and change the color of this. You can actually have some cool colors, guys. There are a lot of colors available. You can just go ahead, take your time and check it out. Let's do this now. Yeah, that was good one. This look good and looks good actually. And let's change this to highlighting. I just look like this. Additional sir. Oh, what happened to gamer, guys? The gamer. Okay, this looks good, but the handwriting is totally gone out the game. Okay, let's see some 3D designs. The game are only one available, so you can actually make use of this. You can actually do some coloring effects over here. Just make it of the color same as the logo. Guys, this looks really good. And I think when you click save logo, you need to pay for this. The better option I give you guys is that you can just take a screenshot of the logo. Oh shit, I just came back out of the page. I hope so the logo will be there. Oh guys, it's going away. Okay, let's do it once again. There's no problem in doing it once more. There's the logo. Okay, you can actually take this one. I'm just doing this for the speed I need now because the logo had just gone away. Just keep it, and then the text right. The gamer. The gamer. Keep it to think funky and this thing. Try to back those. Just take anything. Just place it down. Adjust the font size. And oh, I had taken the 3D, right? 3D, and this was the thing. I had pasted it over here. Oh, okay, let's make it more darker. And this was ready to go. And let's make this color. Guys, you can just do this, and you can either use the screenshot option in your mobile, sorry, on the PC, or you can always go ahead and use the inbuilt tool, that is snipping tool, and take a rectangular snip of this. Make sure this box doesn't appear when you take a screenshot, or else you'll have to close this snipping tool again and open it once again. Open it, click on modes, go to rectangular snip, and now when the screen is gone dark, you can just select this. You can just select it from this side, and you can select as much as you want. Exactly. Hey guys, I just took it. I didn't take it properly, so it's coming like this. You can just take it and go back to save images, save image as, and change it to PNG. That is a transparent background file. You can then just upload it to your YouTube channel and have a good logo And guys, thanks for watching. If you guys want to watch some other videos like this, then make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and post your video ideas in the comments below. Thanks for watching guys. Meet you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.